this is
You
an
like it?
indoor private waterfall. Yeah, I think this is up there with the best. I don't know of anything that looks this good. I mean, this looks like something you see at a zoo. Now you just got to get like a macaw or something to go in here.
A what?
A macaw, you know, like a big bird or something. Or some lizards or a monkey or a crocodile.
We've got a blue... my son caught a blue tongue, and there's a blue tongue somewhere in here. It's about this big.
Cool.
In here? In here somewhere, yeah.
What about a python?
No.
What about a crocodile? I still think you should put a shark in here.